So the overall arching idea is to go up north in Europe during the winter, as far north as Europe goes. So our first stop is Kiruna, in Sweden, and I'll spend some time there doing whatever I can find that seems quite interesting, like snowmobiles for sure, dog sleds if I can, and all these kind of ice adventures. I'm leaving sunny, icy, rainy Stockholm. I'm going to go north about 14 hours on a high-speed train. Pretty far north. It was -3 today in Stockholm. It's -22 Celsius in Kiruna, the place where I'm going. So that's going to be a lot of fun. The train? Yeah. Got my own car. I couldn't imagine sharing this with someone. There's a family of 5 next to me. There's 3 kids. They're super loud and annoying. I couldn't imagine one other person here. I don't know what to do. Anyway, it's like $300 for the whole 14 hours, so it's not cheap. But it's an experience. I think it's probably more fun than flying. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'll go check out the food car. I'm pretty hangry at this point. Ready to eat. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Didn't sleep very much. We're due to get in about like an hour. But yeah, 15-16 hour train ride. Just can't sleep on trains. Got an hour and a half sleep. But it's all good. It's beautiful here. It's 20 below. It is icy and stark and beautiful out there. Tour of my cabin. Oh yeah, the top bunk. I did not sleep up there. They're tight. This falls down to a middle bunk. I slept there. I just kept my stuff here. I'd love to tell you that it was cheap. It wasn't. About $300. Yeah, but the options are a little bit grim. I think I could probably sleep in a seat. I mean, I didn't sleep anyway, so what's the point? I could just actually just get a seat and not sleep next time. Save some money. But we'll see. Maybe I'll just fly back. Alright. Arrived. Made it to Kiruna. It's 20 below, but it doesn't feel too bad. But I have no idea how far I have to walk yet. But it was a pretty good adventure there. I didn't sleep for shit.
I couldn't sleep on that train last night.
How many cc's are these ones?
1,000.
Ooh!
You can start the machines when you're ready.
Oh, I'm ready.
maggots. Your worms are still alive, man.
lot of food today, guys. A lot of food. We're gonna return to the lodge like heroes. I can't see shit. Still there.
Still there. Still alive.
Still alive. Poor bastard. As if his life wasn't bad enough. It's so cold, and then he's got a hook through his face.
Yeah.
Look at that. We're gonna live. We're gonna live. Yeah, keep it cold. Don't let it get hot.
Vi jättefort och värma på den.
Little bread. Genius. No.
You wanted my little fish. This is delicious.
All right. Thank you. Here's the chef right here. Oh, the food is awesome, man. And look at this wonderful fire after freezing our collective balls off on the ice. And where's the fish? Oh, look. Yeah. We're gonna feed the tribe. Yeah. Look at that. Yum.